everyone, welcome to the TidyTight How-To series. Today we are going to show you how to properly use our storage and organization product, TidyTight. For our presentation, we are using the TidyTight Garage model. This product is 1.5 inches wide with 5 sewn-on securing loops. The original TidyTight Garage was designed for storing extension cords and Christmas lights. We do offer TidyTights of different sizes and applications, but for today we will focus on our garage version. Say goodbye to cords laying on the ground in a pile. Keep them hanging on a wall, tidy and tight. To start, we need to find a proper location to hang the TidyTight. We need to install a hook, nail, or screw in a location capable of holding the weight. Ideally, a stud in the wall is the best place to anchor your fastener. Once the fastener is installed, hang the TidyTight on the fastener using the D-ring on the top. With your TidyTight now hanging vertically, you are ready to begin storing your cords. We suggest loading the TidyTight starting with the lowest loop and working upward toward the top. Working from the bottom up helps stabilize the TidyTight while loading and unloading. Before loading your first cord, unclip the plastic buckle by pressing inward on both sides of the buckle simultaneously. The male side of the buckle will release from the female side of the buckle. Next, we load our first cord onto the unclipped securing loop strap. Ideally, your cord will be wound up in a manner that forms a loop. Feed the loose, unclipped end of the securing loop through the middle of the wound up cord. Bring the male clip back to the female end and reclip the buckle by pressing both clip ends together. The final step is to tighten the securing loop around your cord. Simply pull the sewn tab on the end of the securing loop strap until the strap is tight around your cord. To secure more cords, repeat the same process using the additional storage loops. Lastly, if you need to use a cord, unclip the male side from the female side and remove the desired cord. It's that simple.